Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics you might skip. Check Airpods firmware and your Android Bluetooth version, because mismatched software causes latency. Once done, disconnect or forget other Bluetooth devices so your phone focuses on the Airpods. This reduces interference. You should also close audio-heavy apps and restart the phone to clear audio buffers. Doing these steps first speeds troubleshooting and rules out common causes. They prepare you for deeper fixes without wasting time on repeated attempts. Next, adjust connection settings to reduce delay. Open developer options and set Bluetooth audio codec to a 2DP or AAC if supported. This changes encoding and can lower latency. Then, stop any apps that auto-scan or force reconnections because they introduce handshakes. Disable Bluetooth scanning and close switching utilities. Also, choose apps or game modes that prioritize low-latency audio. Streaming services sometimes add buffering. These steps change how audio is encoded and routed, which directly cuts perceived delay. To finish, perform a full Airpods reset and repair them to Android. This clears corrupted profiles and often fixes delay. Once paired, test with a different phone to determine whether the problem is the Airpods or your Android. If Android is the issue, consider a low-latency Bluetooth USB-C adapter or check for system and Airpods firmware updates. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: isolate components. Test each device separately to identify which one needs replacement or further configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.